In this video, we will discuss a new feature of OPSWAT's deep CDR technology called block mode. In the default use case, deep CDR is used to prevent both known and unknown malware by removing any active and potentially malicious content within a file. The file is deconstructed into its individual objects, and any object containing active content is removed. For example, CDR will remove embedded scripts and documents, executables embedded within images, or append a safe redirect to URLs. Deep CDR can perform this recursively, removing malicious content embedded deeply within other complex files. The remaining textual objects of the file are then recombined into a new, fully functioning file and delivered threat-free to the end user. However, in some situations, you may not be able to change the original file in any way. This may be for data integrity reasons, maintaining a digital signature, chain of custody, compliance regulations, or other legal requirements. Although you may be prevented from reconstructing new files using the default CDR workflow, you can still use CDR to identify these potentially malicious files, block them, and get a detailed inventory of the objects they contain. Let's take a look at the demo. First, go to the workflow where you'd like to enable the blocking mode, go to deep CDR, and down at the bottom, click Advanced. Under Block File, we're going to tell it to block files if they contain script objects in a PDF. It's also useful to have Analysis Mode enabled to give you that detailed inventory of all the objects that are found. Save the changes, and we'll process a demo file. Once it completes, you can see that sanitization has been skipped, but the file has been blocked. When you click into the details, you'll see that there was an embedded Word document inside the PDF, as well as some embedded JavaScript. Also, it found a potentially malicious hyperlink. The original file has not been modified in any way. It has been blocked from passing through the system. To further investigate, you can download the processed file and take a look at what it contains. Thanks for watching.